Hello there. I am in my garden, my backyard garden. I'm reading from the Bible. Today I'm reading from the book of Psalms, and I will read Psalm number 80. Psalm 80 is a prayer for Israel's restoration. Before I get started, I want to talk a little bit about what you're looking at. This is our raised bed garden, and it is starting to fill in nicely with the winter vegetables that we've planted. So I'll keep you posted as winter kind of gets into full swing and share with you what continues to grow in the raised bed through the winter season. Okay, back to reading in the backyard garden, reading from the Bible. I will read Psalm number 80. It's a prayer for Israel's restoration. And the reading begins. Give ear, O shepherd of Israel, you who lead Joseph like a flock. You who are enthroned upon the cherubim, shine forth before Ephraim and Benjamin and Manasseh. Stir up your might and come to save us. Restore us, O God. Let your face shine that we may be saved. O Lord, God of hosts, how long will you be angry with your people's prayers? You have fed them with the bread of tears and given them tears to drink in full measure. You make us the scorn of our neighbors. Our enemies laugh among themselves. Restore us, O God of hosts. Let your face shine that we may be saved. You brought a vine out of Egypt. You drove out the nations and planted it. You cleared the ground for it. It took deep root and filled the land. The mountains were covered with its shade, the mighty cedars with its branches. It sent out its branches to the sea and its shoots to the river. Why then have you broken down its walls, so that all who pass along the way pluck its fruit? The boar from the forest ravages it, and all that move in the field feed on it. Turn again, O God of hosts. Look down from heaven and see. Have regard for this vine and stalk that your right hand planted. They have burned it with fire. They have cut it down. May they perish at the rebuke of your countenance. But let your hand be upon the one at your right hand, the one whom you made strong for yourself. Then we will never turn back from you. Give us life, and we will call on your name. Restore us, O Lord God of hosts. Let your face shine that we may be saved. Here ends the reading of Psalm number 80.